All is well in my world. A guided meditation for energy workers. In this short meditation, you will join other energy workers around the world to envision our planet already peaceful and harmonious. The governments from all countries are working together in cooperation, sharing resources, and engaging in fair energy exchange. They care for their people and ensure their daily necessities are met and are affordable. War and racism are memories from the past. Wisdom, joy, and compassion are the tools we now use to build our new earth together, in unity. Let us begin. Find a comfortable position. Allow your body to soften and settle. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and gently release. Once more, breathe in and let go. One final breath, breathing in peace and breathing out anything that no longer serves you. You are safe. You are held. All is well in your world. Feel yourself rooted, connected to the earth beneath you. Feel her strength rising up through you. Steady, solid, peaceful. Now bring your awareness to your heart center. Place your hand there if you feel guided to. Feel it warm and open, radiating outward. Before we begin, set this intention silently or aloud. I join energy workers across this planet. Together, our hearts united, we hold the frequency of peace for all of humanity. I am not alone in this. We are one field of light. And so it is. Feel that connection now. Thousands of hearts, across every continent, beating in the same frequency as yours. Right now. In this moment. Raise your vibrational frequency to unconditional joy and deep gratitude. Feel joy rising within you and expanding. Feel gratitude radiating from your heart center, expanding and radiating out into the field. Feel your entire body infused with joy and gratitude. You are now vibrating at a high frequency. Hold this frequency during our time together. Now, with your heart open and your mind clear, begin to see our planet before you. Beautiful, luminous, blue and green and golden. See her already peaceful. Not becoming peaceful, already peaceful. Already whole. See the nations of the earth, each one caring for its people. See world leaders sitting at a round table, making decisions from a place of wisdom and compassion, ensuring every man, woman, and child has food, clean water, safe shelter. Daily necessities are easily affordable. See countries reaching across their borders, not in conflict, but in genuine partnership, sharing resources, sharing wisdom, fair exchange flowing between nations, like a mighty river, nourishing everyone it touches. Cooperation, diplomacy, unity. See communities within each country, living in genuine harmony. neighbors knowing each other, supporting each other, the strong lifting the weak, the wise guiding the young. Each person is thriving. Nations are flourishing. Health and well-being are their natural state. Abundance is everywhere. It's a beautiful world we live in now. See the faces of people, ordinary people, smiling, grateful, at peace. Racism dissolved. Separation, a memory of another time. Unity, the natural way of living now. Hold this vision steady. This is not fantasy. This is frequency. And frequency creates reality. As we close this meditation, carry this frequency with you. Every time fear arises, return here, to this field, to this frequency. All is well. All is well. All is well in my world. Let this be our constant vision, in our thoughts, words, feelings, and actions, anchoring us in peace. We are one field of light, and that field is growing. Take a gentle breath in, and slowly, in your own time, bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Feel the ground beneath you. And when you are ready, open your eyes.